This is a story of the birth of humanity. Prologue has 5 chapters. Don't skip before you listen to Chapter 5, The Dawn of Humanity. Story of the birth of humanity. In the vast expanse of the universe, where stars twinkled like jewels on a dark velvet canvas, a grand design was set into motion by the Creator. This was a time before time, in a realm where the essence of life itself awaited the spark that would ignite its journey. The Creator, in infinite wisdom and boundless love, envisioned a world teeming with life, beauty, and wonder. A world where humanity would emerge and thrive. Chapter 1. The Dream of Creation. In the eternal realm, the Creator, known as Elohim, contemplated the birth of a new world. With a thought, Elohim summoned the forces of light and darkness, shaping them into a harmonious balance. The universe sang with the vibrations of this divine symphony, and from the heart of this melody, a new planet began to form. This was Earth, a fertile cradle where life would flourish. Elohim molded the land and seas, carving mountains and valleys, filling the oceans with shimmering water, and adorning the sky with a radiant sun and a silvery moon. Plants and trees sprang forth, blanketing the earth in a tapestry of green. Rivers flowed like veins, nourishing the land, while the winds whispered secrets of the divine plan. Chapter 2. The Breath of Life. In a secluded garden called Eden, Elohim prepared a sanctuary of unparalleled beauty and tranquility. It was here that the Creator would bring forth the first beings, crafted in the divine image. With gentle hands, Elohim formed a figure from the dust of the ground, shaping a man with great care and precision. Leaning over the lifeless form, Elohim breathed the breath of life into its nostrils. The man's chest rose and fell, and his eyes opened to behold the wonders around him. He was named Adam, the first human, a reflection of the Creator's glory and love. Adam stood, feeling the warmth of the sun on his skin and the softness of the earth beneath his feet. Elohim then led Adam through the garden, showing him the diverse flora and fauna. Every creature and plant had a purpose, and Adam was entrusted with the care and stewardship of this paradise. He named the animals, discovering the unique qualities of each one. Despite the abundance of life around him, Adam felt a void, a yearning for companionship. Chapter 3. The Gift of Companionship. Understanding. Adam's longing, Elohim decided to create a companion for him. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden glow over Eden, Adam fell into a deep sleep. While he slept, Elohim took a rib from his side and fashioned it into a woman, sculpting her with the same divine care. When Adam awoke, he found a being beside him who was unlike any other. She was named Eve, and her presence filled Adam with joy and wonder. Elohim blessed their union, and together they began to explore and nurture the garden. They walked hand in hand, marveling at the beauty of creation and the love that had brought them into existence. Chapter 4. The Harmony of Eden. In Eden, Adam and Eve lived in harmony with nature and each other. They understood the language of the animals and the songs of the plants. The garden provided for their every need, and they were content. Elohim visited them often, walking with them in the cool of the evening, sharing wisdom and guidance. The Creator bestowed upon them the gift of free will, allowing them to make choices and learn from their experiences. In the center of the garden stood 2 special trees, the tree of life and the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. Elohim instructed Adam and Eve to enjoy the fruit of every tree except the latter, warning that its fruit would bring knowledge and consequence. Chapter 5. The Dawn of Humanity. For a time, Adam and Eve flourished in their divine abode, cultivating the land and deepening their bond. They laughed, learned, and loved, embodying the Creator's vision of humanity. The animals respected them, and the earth responded to their touch, yielding bountiful harvests. However, a shadow loomed on the horizon. In the form of a serpent, a being of cunning and deception slithered into Eden, seeking to sow doubt and discord. The serpent approached Eve, questioning the Creator's command and enticing her with promises of wisdom and power. Overcome by curiosity, Eve partook of the forbidden fruit and shared it with Adam. As they ate, their eyes were opened to the complexities of good and evil. They felt a shift within themselves, an awareness of their vulnerability and mortality. The harmony of Eden was disrupted, and they felt a sense of shame and separation from the Creator. Thank you for watching. Remember to save this message and share it.